Hi everyone, Siavash here, high-level certified admin, and this is another course video for high-level 101 for beginners. Once again, if you haven't joined our private community and our high-level 101 community, make sure that you join there. It's not a sales pitch. I just want to have you all in there so we can do the communication, get some of your feedback about the course, what you would like to see, and also you can share ideas with other community members as well. Plus, I'll post updates and let you know if something has changed in the course because this is an evergreen course that I'm going to update as high level. All right, this is the second video, second part of the pipeline. In the first video, we talked about what the pipeline is, how to do those kind of things, and I'll show you a real-time pipeline from another high-level account that I'm helping with. And in this video, we're going to actually build the pipeline and also do the pipeline automation. So the idea behind this video is going to be a very simple pipeline that we're going to set up for the funnel that we built. So if you remember in the previous lessons, we talked about building a funnel that people can sign up and actually get our ebook. And we're going to put that in the stages. So let's go ahead and create a new pipeline. So you're going to go to opportunities and then at the top click on pipeline and then create a new pipeline. So I'm going to name this my free ebook pipeline. The first stage is going to be new lead. Second stage is going to be free ebook downloaded. And let's say we are trying to make them book an appointment. Then the last stage would be appointments booked. Okay. Now let's save this. So the first pipeline is going to show up in here. Now if I go to opportunities, I'll see that my stages are there. Okay. Now how are we going to do the automation so these things move automatically? If I just move this here and I hop into automations. So what we're going to do here is, you see we already have an action, a workflow that send a follow-up when someone sign up for the free ebook. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to add another action. So the action would be here is when someone submit the ebook, we are tagging them, and then I'm going to say I'm going to create an opportunity, and I'm going to say the opportunity is going to be inside the ebook pipeline and the stage is going to be new lead. The opportunity name, I will say, keep it as a contact full name. The opportunity source, I can leave it empty. Lead value, if you know what is the long-term value of the customer that is coming into this pipeline, you want to put that there. Let's say we say this customer long-term value is $1,000 and their status is going to be open. I'm just going to save the action and let's save. So let's test this quickly. So just going to make sure that this allow me re-entry. So if I use the same email address, it's not going to flick out. So let's go back. And the way to test it is, let's go ahead and let's actually bring up the funnel, the strategy coaching, and let's bring up the funnel. And let's go ahead and say, I want the ebook. Let's put my name. And yep, let's keep that email. That's fine. Let's put a actual mobile number and say, yep, I consent, and let's submit. And let's see what happens. This obviously, as you know, it's going to go to the thank you page, but now let's go and have a look at the pipeline. So let's go back. First, let's see if the new contact got added. Yep, that's the new contact again, same name. But as you can see, I got the tag. And now if I go to opportunities, I'll see that I'm here and the new lead value is 1,000. Now, if I go to my dashboard, it will say that I have one opportunity worth $1,000 that is open and conversion rate is 0. So everything is working, everything is coming. Now the next thing is, if you look at the opportunity, what we have in here is when someone downloaded the ebook. So how are we going to do that? If you remember from the previous videos, we put the ebook inside the media file and we grab the link and we'll put it inside that email. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create something called trigger links. So what are the trigger links? Trigger links are a specific piece of code that high level can track and see if someone tap on that, it can say, hey, this person tap on your ebook link, or this person tap on unsubscribe, or this person has tap on booking an appointment. Instead of saying that this person has tap on a link, it can specify which link they tap on. So it's way better for tracking and those kind of things. So let's go ahead and actually create one. So let's go to settings. And then where we're going to go is we want to go to the media that we have the link for the PDF and grab that. So let's go to media, open media, and this is the PDF that we use. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to go back. I'm going to go one more back, and then I'm going to go into marketing. Let's get rid of this guy. At the top, we have a section called trigger links. And let's go ahead and add that. So I'm going to say add a link. The name of the link is going to be my ebook. And then I'm going to paste that link that we copied and hit save. Now what I need to do is I need to put this inside the email. So if I go back to automations, and if I go in here, and if I click on this email address, this email that I'm sending, and if I update this, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on this. Now you see that we have this option in here. I'm going to click on this. Actually, it's better to highlight it. So let me just highlight the whole thing because otherwise it's going to put it inside in the middle. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on this. And this is the trigger link, my ebook. As you can see, it gives you a weird URL shape. Now let's go ahead and hit save. Now just like mesh. Let's make sure that it's there. Yep, there we go. It made it double. Sometimes this happens, so I'm just gonna delete it to make it clean. And click on this, remove the link. I'm just gonna, here's the link to download your ebook. So let's highlight this whole thing, click on this, and then this, and this. New window, save. And let's save the action, okay? Now we can track the trigger link. Now the next thing is we want to create another automation, and this automation would be when someone click on that or tap on that trigger link. So I'm going to click on this, start from scratch, and this is going to be free ebook trigger link tapped, and what we're going to do is update for opportunity status. Okay, so add a new trigger. The trigger is going to be trigger link clicked. Add a filter. Trigger link is my ebook. Save the trigger. And all I need to do is, again, search for opportunity. And I'm going to say inside this pipeline, move them to free ebook downloader. I can leave these the rest because it's already know the opportunity name and the status that is open. So I'm just gonna lead value. Let's just put 1000 in here still, and let's save the action. Make it publish. Let's say, and for the purpose of this video, because I don't want to wait, let's go back and let's click on this one and let's remove the wait. So I can quickly receive the email and we can actually demo this quickly. So let's hit save, let's close this guy, let's go back, let's ignore. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to sites again. Actually, we have it in here. So let's go back, let's get my free ebook. This one I'm gonna say Alex Doe email. I'm gonna put actual email in here. Some random number, click on this and click on submit. It's invalid, obviously, it's one extra. There we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna go and open that email quickly for you so you can see what is happening. So let me pause. All right, so here's the email. I'm not gonna click on the link, so let's go here and see what is happening. So we got the opportunities. Now we should have two because there's another one got added. There we go, Alex Doe, 2 grand. And let's go ahead and actually click on the link. Okay, this is gonna open that thing up. Let's go back, and as you can see, it disappeared. So let's refresh. I think I made one mistake, and I'll show you why it disappeared. I think I changed the stage to 1 instead of keep it open. No, I actually didn't. I just needed to refresh. There you go. So it moved the Alex Doe automatically to free ebook downloader. And we can do the exact same thing for appointment booked. So let's go to automation. And let's say we have the appointment in here. Let's go here. And what we can do, exact same thing. When someone book an appointment, we're gonna update their opportunity. And I'm gonna say my free ebook, pipeline state appointment book. And let's say this is our goal. When someone book an appointment, it means that they pay us $1,000. So what I'm gonna do is say I'm gonna make them 1, and still it is $1,000. The name is going to be still the same. So let's save this action. Let's publish this and save. And let's go ahead and actually bring the calendar settings. Grab the link to the calendar. So this is just basically me testing. Copy that. Let's open up the calendar and let's book with the same email address. So select this. First name was Al. Let's make sure that I'm using the same phone number so it doesn't create a new opportunity. So let's go to contacts. Let's go to copy this. Let's go here, paste it here, email. And this, and let's schedule the meeting. Back and see what is happening. Let's go to add it to the automation. Yep, active enrollment 2, opportunities. Now the Alex Doe disappeared. It's because we have this filter on. It's not showing the open people. So if I remove this filter, it will show it's 1 and it's green. Now our conversion rate, guess what, is going to be 50% because we have 2 and we closed 1 and we made $1,000. So this is how you can build a pipeline, and this is whether you run your own business, whether you're an agency helping other businesses to capture lead. This is a great way to show them, hey, this is what we are bringing for your business. Or if it's your business, you can say, hey, this is what I'm doing. This pipeline is doing way better than let's say my Facebook ad pipeline is doing way better than my Google Ads pipeline or my organic pipeline. And at any point of time, you can see where your leads are sitting at and how much money you're leaving on those different stages. Once again, I hope you enjoy this one. Make sure that you join our community for any questions, update, and just basically love to see what you guys are doing and how can I be an help. And yeah, just be helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.